Are you struggling with high blood pressure and wondering how your diet might be contributing? It's time to take control of your health. High blood pressure is one of the most common health conditions, yet many don't realize that the foods they eat could be making things worse. If you're looking to manage your hypertension, avoiding certain foods is key. In this video, we'll walk you through 15 foods you should steer clear of to keep your blood pressure in check. From hidden sodium to sneaky sugars, these foods could be sabotaging your heart health. Let's dive into the top 15 foods to avoid if you want to lower your blood pressure and maintain a healthy heart. 1. Processed meats, bacon, ham, sausage. Processed meats are loaded with sodium and unhealthy fats, both of which are major contributors to high blood pressure. They may taste great, but these foods contain preservatives like nitrates and nitrites, which can constrict blood vessels and raise blood pressure. For a healthier option, try lean cuts of fresh meat like chicken or turkey. 2. Canned soups and vegetables. Canned soups and vegetables may seem like an easy solution for a quick meal, but they are often packed with sodium. Many cans of soup contain more sodium than the recommended daily intake in a single serving. Opt for fresh or frozen vegetables, and make your own homemade soups to control the sodium levels. 3. Frozen ready-to-go dinners. Frozen dinners are incredibly convenient, but they are often high in sodium and preservatives. These meals can contribute to high blood pressure if consumed regularly. Instead of relying on pre-packaged meals, cook at home using fresh ingredients, or prepare your meals ahead of time to have healthy options on hand. 4. Packaged noodles and instant ramen. Packaged noodles and instant ramen are staples for many, but they are often loaded with sodium. One serving can exceed the recommended daily sodium intake, which can worsen hypertension. Try whole grain pasta or fresh noodles instead, and avoid the seasoning packets that are high in sodium. 5. Sodium-rich salad dressings. Salads are often considered a healthy option, but many pre-packaged salad dressings are high in sodium. Even if the salad itself is nutritious, the dressing can quickly sabotage your efforts to manage your blood pressure. Make your own salad dressings using olive oil, vinegar, and fresh herbs for a healthier alternative. 6. Fast food, burgers, fries, etc. Fast food is a major culprit when it comes to high sodium intake. From burgers to fries, these meals are often packed with unhealthy fats and sodium, which can spike blood pressure. If you're looking for a healthier option, try making homemade versions of your favorite fast food meals using fresh ingredients. 7. Pickles. Pickles might seem like a harmless snack, but they are packed with sodium. Just a few bites can push your daily sodium intake well over the limit. If you love pickles, try making your own at home with less salt or enjoy them in moderation. 8. Deli meats, salami, pepperoni. Deli meats like salami and pepperoni are loaded with sodium and unhealthy preservatives. While they may be convenient, they can be damaging to your blood pressure. Opt for fresh, lean meats or plant-based protein sources instead. 9. Packaged baked goods, cookies, cakes. Packaged baked goods like cookies, cakes, and pastries are filled with refined sugars, unhealthy fats, and often sodium. These ingredients contribute to high blood pressure and weight gain. It's better to bake your own treats at home using healthier ingredients like whole grains and less sugar. 10. Sugary snacks and sodas. Foods and drinks high in sugar can contribute to weight gain and metabolic issues, which are risk factors for high blood pressure. Soda, candy, and sweetened snacks should be limited or avoided altogether. Instead, opt for natural sources of sweetness like fruit. 11. Alcohol. Excessive alcohol consumption can raise blood pressure and lead to other health problems, such as liver damage and an increased risk of stroke. Moderate alcohol consumption, or none at all, is the best choice for managing your blood pressure. 12. Refined carbohydrates, white bread, pasta. Refined carbohydrates, such as white bread and pasta, are processed and stripped of their nutrients. These carbs can spike blood sugar levels and lead to weight gain, both of which can contribute to high blood pressure. Opt for whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, and whole wheat bread instead. 13. High sodium snacks, chips, pretzels. Salty snacks like chips, pretzels, and popcorn can significantly increase your sodium intake. These snacks often have added preservatives that can contribute to hypertension. Choose healthier snack options like raw veggies, fruits, or unsalted nuts. 14. High-fat dairy, full-fat cheese, cream. Full-fat dairy products are high in saturated fats, which can raise cholesterol levels and contribute to high blood pressure. If you love dairy, switch to low-fat or fat-free versions to reduce the impact on your blood pressure. 15. Caffeine. Caffeine can temporarily raise blood pressure, especially in individuals who are sensitive to it. While moderate caffeine consumption is generally safe for most people, excessive intake from coffee, energy drinks, or sodas should be avoided if you're managing high blood pressure. Managing high blood pressure is a lifestyle choice, and one of the most impactful ways to take control of your health is through diet. By avoiding these 15 foods that are harmful to blood pressure, you can help keep your hypertension in check and reduce your risk of heart disease, strokes, and kidney damage. Remember to focus on whole, unprocessed foods, limit sodium, and make healthy food choices that support your heart health. For personalized advice, always consult your healthcare provider.